Hello, in this scenario, we are going to look into the difference between the primary market and secondary market. Let's see the differences here. Before going into the differences, I would like to tell you that both these markets are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, and we don't require any geographical location. No specific geographical location is needed for both the primary market and secondary market. Having said these, let's move on to the differences, the specific differences that can have in between the primary market and the secondary market. Coming to the primary market, it deals with the first hand sale, or it issues the securities for the first time. You call it as the first hand sale. And what does it mean is that the company will be going for new offers. The company will be going for new offers that you call as the initial public offer. And this is a perfect example that you can have in the primary market. The first hand sale and purchase of securities would be dealt in the primary market, where the company will be issuing new securities, and these new securities would be issued for the very first time, and this is what is called as the initial public offer. And what about the case with secondary market? Even in the secondary market, we don't deal with the initial public offer. Instead, what we do is that we will be dealing with the existing securities. The existing securities are bought and sold when it comes to secondary market. Here there is no sale and purchase of new instruments, and in this case there is no sale and purchase of new securities or new instruments. So what we consider here is securities only. Here also securities only. More differences between these two. In the case of primary market, we are dealing with firms, and these firms will be there to raise money for some long-term investment. It is for this they go for initial public offer. This is also known as IPO. And what is the case with the secondary market? The companies that would be trading with the securities in the secondary market would be benefiting. So companies benefit in secondary market as a result of their trading operations there. Moving to more differences, in the case of primary market, the price of the securities is fixed by the firms. Whichever firm is going for the IPO, that particular firm can fix price of shares or securities. And in the case of secondary market, the firms has no role here when it comes to the fixation of price. Instead, what happens is the market forces of demand and supply would be acting and reacting upon each other, and at last a price would be fixed. So here comes the role of market forces. The market force would adjust and a price would be fixed. Price would adjust and price is fixed based on that. Price is fixed based on that. So what are market forces? The demand and supply. Demand and supply forces. Again, in the case of primary market, the firms will be issuing shares to the public. There would be a notice or notification issued by the particular firm that goes for the initial public offer, and based on that the public can be aware regarding the kind of initial public offer that is being offered by the firm, so that the public can purchase those particular shares. Here comes the role of public. And what is the case with the secondary market operations? In the secondary market, we have already told that we are dealing with the existing shares. We are dealing with the sale and purchase of the existing shares. And for the very same reason, one investor would be selling the shares or security to another investor. That is what happens here. That is all regarding the differences between the primary market and the secondary market. Hope you could understand the differences. I request you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Also, I would like to tell you one more thing. We have a free Telegram community. You can join there by clicking on to the link given in the description box. Also, we can be a part of our Learn Oikonomia app by clicking on to the link given in the description box again. That's it. Thank you for watching.